Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Reach online. To begin, you will need to own the Master Chief Collection, which includes Halo Reach. This collection provides a fantastic way to experience the game with improved visuals and smoother gameplay. Playing online allows you to join friends or find matches with other players from around the world. Make sure your game is completely updated to access all the latest features and content. Once you have the Master Chief Collection installed, launch the game from your platform's library. From the main menu, you will find options for both campaigns and multiplayer. Select Halo Reach from the list of included games. Then, you can choose to jump into matchmaking for quick games or explore custom games for more personalized experiences. It's a straightforward process to get into the action. Halo Reach within the Master Chief Collection offers a wide array of multiplayer options. You can dive into competitive playlists like Slayer or Objective modes, testing your skills against others. For a more tailored experience, create or join custom games with unique rules and maps. Additionally, the entire campaign is playable cooperatively with up to 4 players, offering a different challenge. Don't forget to use the social features to easily connect with your friends. To ensure the best online experience, a stable internet connection is crucial, minimizing lag and disconnections. Take some time to adjust your in-game video and audio settings to match your system's capabilities, aiming for smooth frame rates. Always check for any new game updates before playing, as these often include important fixes and improvements. Finally, using a headset for voice communication can greatly enhance teamwork and overall enjoyment in competitive matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.